Next, NASA says its Voyager 1 probe, the most distant human-made object in the universe, is sending usable information to Earth again.
Welcome back, fellow travelers on this cosmic shore. Today we journey to the edge of our solar system, where Voyager 1, our most distant probe, has encountered the unexpected. A mysterious signal from the interstellar void has challenged everything we thought we knew. The story begins at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, where routine data from Voyager suddenly spiked with energy. A new object, designated 3I Atlas, was detected, unlike anything seen before. Voyager's dormant instruments flared to life, baffling scientists with anomalies and patterns. It was as if Voyager had found something to talk about, or something was talking to it. The encounter was not passive, it was a dynamic event unfolding in the dark abyss. The silence of interstellar space had been broken, forcing us to confront the question, are we alone? The story of Voyager and Atlas may be our first cosmic handshake, a moment that could change humanity forever. To understand this moment, we must journey back to 1977. NASA launched Voyager 1 and 2 on the Grand Tour, a mission to explore the outer planets. These probes revealed the wonders of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, then pressed onward, powered by decaying plutonium. Voyager 1 became our first interstellar explorer in 2012, sending back data from beyond the sun's influence. Its instruments are old, its power fading, and communication takes nearly 2 days round trip. Most systems were shut down to conserve energy, so when sensors surged with activity, it was a shock. Something in the cold and dark had awakened our sleeping giant. Voyager carries the golden record, a greeting to the cosmos. For decades, it sailed in silence, a ghost ship in the void. But now, the universe had noticed our tiny messenger, and it was about to send a reply. The object that stirred Voyager was 3I Atlas, only the third interstellar object ever detected. Unlike Oumuamua or Borisov, Atlas was massive, dark, and moved with deliberate grace. Detected by Hawaii's Atlas system, its hyperbolic trajectory marked it as a visitor from another star. Its path would bring it close to Voyager 1, a cosmic coincidence. NASA quickly devised a plan to reorient Voyager's few active sensors toward Atlas. The goal was to study the interstellar medium and the object itself. No one expected a signal. The maneuver was risky, pushing Voyager to its limits. As Atlas and Voyager aligned, something extraordinary happened. Not only did Voyager's instruments react, but Earth's magnetosphere spiked with energy. A ripple traveled billions of kilometers, a cosmic handshake felt at home. The encounter had begun. As Voyager and Atlas aligned, the probe's data stream became a flood. Its plasma wave instrument detected powerful, structured pulses, ordered, rhythmic, and repeating in prime numbers. This was no random cosmic noise. It was a mathematical hello, a hallmark of intelligence. The signal evolved, building complexity, as if teaching a language. NASA's Deep Space Network raced to decode it. Was it a map, a history, or something else? The energy required to send such a signal was immense, far beyond our capabilities. Atlas was not just a rock, it was an active transmitter. It had chosen Voyager as its audience. The lonely probe, sent with a message of peace, had received a reply. The question now, what did it say? The implications were staggering. Humanity was no longer alone in the dark. While engineers decoded the signal, another team traced Atlas's path through the galaxy. They discovered its trajectory aligned with ancient monuments like Stonehenge and the pyramids, structures built with precise astronomical intent. At their construction, these monuments pointed to the very spot from which Atlas now arrived. Was this coincidence, or did our ancestors know more than we thought? Myths of wandering stars and celestial visitors suddenly seemed less like fantasy. Could humanity's astronomical knowledge have been seeded by an ancient encounter? The arrival of Atlas felt less like chance, more like a scheduled appointment kept across millennia. Our history, it seemed, might be missing a cosmic chapter. The investigation took a dramatic turn with NASA's AI analyzing the Atlas signal. For weeks, the signal was indecipherable, until an analyst compared it to Voyager's golden record. The AI found a match. The Atlas signal echoed the golden record's information. It wasn't a simple playback, but a conversation. Where the golden record showed hydrogen, Atlas replied with patterns for silicon and carbon. Musical selections were answered with new, mathematically harmonious patterns. Atlas demonstrated comprehension, building on our message. This was no accident. Atlas had accessed and interpreted the golden record. How it did so remains a mystery, but the intent was clear. Our message in a bottle had been found, opened, and answered. The universe was talking back. First contact was real. The story took its most dramatic turn. Voyager 1, after decades on a fixed path, began to change course, mirrored by Atlas. The two moved in perfect formation, then suddenly, Voyager's data went silent. The probe was gone, the link severed. Governments classified the event, claiming Voyager had simply died. But those who saw the data knew the truth was stranger. Was Atlas a probe, a ship, or an emissary? Did Voyager join it on a new mission? The signal's prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, could be a greeting, or a countdown. Was this first contact, or the beginning of something else? All we can do now is watch the skies, and wait.